Hello, welcome back to Subtech Online. Today we are going to talk about Power BI report types. If you have ever built a Power BI report and wondered, am I even using the real report type that is required for this purpose? You're not alone. Most people jump straight into visuals without first deciding on the purpose of the report they need to communicate with their audience. Otherwise, in this video, I'm going to walk you through through the four main report types, understanding how everything is structured. So, as a data analyst, Power BI user, or a Power Dashboard designer, this is what you need to know. Whether you are a beginner or already building complex dashboards, this is for you. Now, as we go through, I will show you examples on the screen. Make sure that you be attentive, that connect the concept of the different types of reports built in Power BI. Now, the first report is going to be the dashboard report. We confuse even what is a dashboard and what is a report. A dashboard is a one-pager presentation of visuals without any filter, slicer, no navigation, just one pager. That's what we call a dashboard. Then a report is a combination of many pages of dashboards with given interactivity, slicers, filters, drill through, name them. Now, dashboards, this is the first type of report that is built for speed. It answers one main decision. And what is that one main decision? How are we doing right now? That is the question it answers. And why it does that, dashboards are typically used for executives, and decision makers who don't want to deep dig into a lot of details. It is just a snapshot. When you design a dashboard, focus on KPIs. That is number one, make it clean. Number two, make labels obvious and avoid cluttering things all over. The goal of this is instant understanding. The high end users who need dashboards, for them, they just need to understand what are the KPIs, what are we doing as business, and that's all. If someone takes 5 minutes to interpret your dashboard, which you call a dashboard, it's no longer a dashboard. That one, we call it an analytical report. You're pretending it to be one of the dashboards, but it is an analytical report. Now, that takes us to our number two. Number two, what are analytical reports? So, analytical reports, this is where exploration happens. People take their time to do whatever they want with the report. So, analytical reports are designed for people who ask these questions. Why did this happen? What caused this to happen or to drop? What trends are hiding behind this data? Someone has to navigate here and there to make sure that they get the answers they are asking. Here you'll see filters and slicers, drill down futures, detailed reports, multiple report pages where you find their report pages, summary, operations, HR, name them. Those are analytical reports. Then they have interactive visuals that when you click on this visual, it filters and drill downs and drill throughs, something like that. So think of the analytical report as a conversation with data users that are not reading or that are doing an investigation. Actually, that's how you have to take it. If you know that someone is going to do an investigation to the business, then they need an analytical report. Okay, now that drops us to the third type of Power BI reports, and these are operational reports. Yes, we have all used operational reports, but what are they? So, the operational reports are used to drive action. Whenever someone sees the report, they are supposed to act. So operational reports are used by teams daily. running operations to monitor live and current data that is streaming through. It helps them to make quick decisions. And examples of these reports, we have inventory monitoring, we have delivery tracking, we have sales performance dashboards, and actually, you don't call it a dashboard. It is a sales performance report. There is production reports. People are looking at how machines are producing, how packaging is being done, and name it all. So some of the operational reports even include buttons and workflows and even triggers actions outside Power BI. Like when it has triggers, maybe for even for Power Automate and Power Platforms, that whenever the value becomes negative, please go and adjust the price or the selling price or the buying price. That is a trigger due to the report or the values that have been triggered from your report, which is the operational report. Now, I think this drills us to the fourth example of ours. We have always seen reports on websites, on government healthy updates. We call them educational reports. So, educational reports, these are designed for learning and clarity, first of all. That educational reports assume that the viewer doesn't understand the data and the context of what it is talking about. You give it a lot of explanations as how you see it here. So, the goal is not showing the numbers. First of all, you're not showing off the numbers, but you're helping the audience to understand the meaning of what you're trying to display out. So this one gives them a quick summary, and it is all it does. So every number is explained. Every number has a caption. It has a tooltip. Even tooltips themselves are explained what they communicate. Now, making a recap. I know if you have stayed up to all long up to the end of this video. Making a recap. A dashboard is one. It is a fast insight, high level. Analytical. These ones are for deep exploration. Number three, the operations, we have said these ones are used for our daily actions and operations in the business. Then the last one, which has been educational reports, these ones are used as guided reports for understanding. So each type serves a different audience and a different purpose. So great analysts choose the report types depending on the audience, or they start designing depending on the audience they are going to present to. So next time you're building a Power BI report, please watch this video always up to the end, and what type of report you are designing for the audience, that whichever problem you're solving. So if this helped you understand the Power BI types of reports we have better, drop a comment in the section below, wherever you have watched this video from on all our platforms, and make sure to subscribe. And if you need deeper Power BI trainings, please subscribe and reach us out, Subtech Online. We hold live sessions, Power BI, and we shall be grateful to receive you and have you upskilled. Otherwise, meet you in the next video. Bye-bye.